get the truck in too. Let's get some business. Yeah. So we're here with Mike Connor.
Yep.
And this is the third tractor that Mike has done for us. And, you know, in addition to being a great guy, he just always does a wonderful job. And Mike, how long have you been putting rim guard in tractors?
Oh, probably past 12 years.
Did you ever do calcium at all before?
Yeah.
You did?
A lot of the old timers still like calcium.
Even though what it does to the rims?
Yep.
Wow.
There's still a lot of calcium in there.
Yeah. Well, you know, we're a big believer in the beet juice. And if I'm understanding Mike correctly, about 11 pounds per gallon is what you're getting from rim guard.
Right.
So we're going to have probably almost 600 pounds of rim guard in here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Great.
you don't need a tube with the rim guard either. The calcium you put in the tube so don't rot the rim.
Gotcha.
But these here are tubeless, so you don't need a tube in them.
Right. And you know what I love about this for rear ballast, you know, you're almost hitting your head on the ballast box, and you know, we're actually going to put some wheel weights on here, but rim guard, you know, it's always there.
Yeah.
You don't have to put it on, you don't take it off.
Right on the bottom of the tire where you need it.
Yes, sir. Well, great. Well, if you don't mind, we're just going to watch and let our viewers see the process.
I'm going to turn the ballast up to the top. So when the rim guard goes in, it falls to the bottom.
Gotcha. When I see videos, you see guys like banging on the side of it. That's just what, get air pockets out?
No, on the pump I can burp it. I can reverse the pump.
Oh, okay.
So when I pump the fluid in, the air builds up pressure. Then I reverse the pump and it burps itself back into the barrel. Then
Gotcha.
I reverse and I pump it back in.
Great.
They're just checking to see the level of the fluid.
Okay. Oh, I see. Okay.
how far it's
Because you're
coming
going, what, about 75, 80%?
Yeah, you want to fill it right about there. So you have a little bit of a cushion, right?
Okay.
You don't want them right solid.
Right, right. Awesome.
This apparatus, that goes like that goes in there like that, so you just thread it right in.
I see.
Just push it in, and this here you just turn it right into the nose stump when we get done.
Nice. Let me ask you a question while you're doing that, Mike.
Yep.
So when I had the flat tire the other day, I lost the bead, so I couldn't put any air in the tire. Is there anything I could have done?
You can take a ratchet strap, put a strap it out, put some dish soap so it seals it up. Take the ratchet strap and draw it, and then put air. And take the core out of that.
Yep.
There's a core in it. You got a core.
Yeah.
The faster the air gets in, the quicker it'll.
Thanks. Okay, gotcha. Okay, that's good to know.
Yep. See, because I jacked it up. See, I'm not breaking the bead because there's no pressure on it.
Right.
With the way of the tractor, it'll break the bead off.
Right. So John Deere recommends 23 pounds of rim guard in my tires. And remember that rim guard weighs about 11 pounds per gallon. So we're going to get 253 pounds of rim guard in each tire. And so that's adding a total of 506 pounds of rear ballast. That's 506 easy pounds because you never have to think about it. You never have to worry about it. You're not putting it on. You're not taking it off. This is why I absolutely love rim guard.
It's more of like a brown. The calcium's like clear.
Yeah.
That's more of a brown.
Okay.
It's got the weird smell to it too.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
The calcium's got no smell. You can see it going down the barrel.
Yep.
Get to about there, which should be about 25 gallons. See how you hit it? The tire's getting hard. You can feel the foot going in.
Oh yeah.
It's coming up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it makes it a lot more stable. The barrel just started moving. Feel the barrel. Feel it. Feel it vibrating a little bit. See the bubbles?
Oh yeah.
It's letting the air back in. I'm burping it.
Oh, you're getting the air out of the tire now.
Yep.
let me ask you this. Have you seen guys that have rolled their tractor and then decided, well, maybe now I ought to put some beet juice in?
Yeah, I've never seen that. But I'm sure it's happened.
Yeah, yeah.
I just thought that's when the ambulance comes. That's the first.
When the ambulance comes, yeah. So that one's done.
I just pull that off. There's your dust stuff. Just make sure it's tight. It is. And back on. Now if you got a water hose, I just want to wash your tractor out.
I'll take care of that, Mike.
Sure?
Sure. So now we're going for tire number 2.
Yep.
And that's just kind of repeat the process.
Make sure it's tight. The pump's going the right way. Let's pump it in.
Pump's going. And we'll be able to see that, I already see it going down in the barrel. Mike is absolutely fantastic, conscientious, takes pride in his work. You'll notice towards the end of the video, he had already asked me for a hose once. He wanted to hose down the driveway, but I told him not to worry about it, I'd get it. But you'll notice at the end when he gets rim guard on the rims, he insists on having a hose. He's not going to leave my tractor like that, he said. I'm not leaving a dirty John Deere. Guy's amazing. So are most of the farmers, people in ag and that, are they still in their tires?
Yeah, compact tractor. No.
How about combine? No. So here I'm asking Mike about agricultural use and popularity with farmers. He's saying that they definitely are filling their tractor tires, but the one thing that they don't do is fill combine tires. They want combine to have a wider stance. They also use radials. So they don't want to be leaving huge impressions in their fields. So yeah, for the tractors, not so much for the combines. Air's coming out now, he's burping it.
Cut the air out.
Yeah, and again, you see the fluid on the ground, no worries. It's all organic, just beet juice.
Pump it in. When that stops hitting the tire, then we'll stop with the pump.
Gotcha. That's how you tell.
Yep. It's up there though. It's right, I can go right about there.
Yeah.
You were right about 23 gallons of tire.
23 tires.
John Deere was right.
Yep. Well, now you're seeing the kind of guy Mike is. Mike takes pride in his work, not leaving me with a mess, which I appreciate.
Yeah, I'd say probably 95% of all new tractors are using this rim guard.
Are they?
You can't beat it. You see the calcium in the old tractors, the old Internationals or old John Deeres, but it's been there so long, and people may not want to spend the money, so they use the calcium over.
Right, right.
If it stays in the tube, the calcium's all right, but if it leaks out, then it starts rotting your rim, then...
But do you have so you're getting 11 pounds per gallon with rim guard. What's calcium?
Same.
Same.
They're the same, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know down south they'll use like windshield washer fluid and
I've had them put water in them.
really?
And then they bring them up here, then they freeze, expand, and wreck the tire.
Sure. Makes sense. No, rim guard's the way to go. Well, thank you. And Mike, thanks for coming out. If you're in the Western New York area and you've got tractor tires, truck tires,
Yep, any tire.
at all, here's Mike's phone number.
Yep, I'm
right
back.
here. And Mike, we've known each other for a couple of years. Like you said, this is the third tractor he's done for me. You see the kind of work he does, and the bonus on top of it, like I said, is he's a great guy. Mike, thank you so much. God bless you.
Kevin.
Thanks for coming out.
Thank you.